These are the main events for the 18th of July. History is a tapestry of triumphs and tragedies, and today we look back at the moments that shaped our world across nearly 7 centuries of human experience. Major events. In 1290, King Edward I of England issued a royal Edict of Expulsion, a significant decree that mandated the removal of all Jews from the country. Moving to 1918, Nelson Mandela was born in South Africa. The son of a Tembu tribal chieftain, he rose to lead the African National Congress, surviving nearly 3 decades in prison before eventually being elected as the nation's first president in a multiracial election. In 1947, President Harry Truman signed the Presidential Succession Act. This critical executive order established the legal line of succession for the American presidency, ensuring stability should a president die or become incapacitated. The world of sports changed forever in 1976 when gymnast Nadia Comăneci competed in the Montreal Olympics. She achieved a perfect score of 10, becoming the first person to ever reach that milestone in the history of the modern games. Minor events. Earlier in history, in 1723, the renowned composer Johann Sebastian Bach directed the very first performance of his cantata Erforsche mich Gott und erfahre mein Herz in the city of Leipzig. In 1989, the tragic death of American actress Rebecca Schaeffer shocked the public. Her murder by a stalker served as a major catalyst for legal change, prompting the California state legislature to pass the nation's first anti-stalking laws. From the heights of Olympic perfection to the creation of landmark laws and the birth of global icons, the 18th of July reminds us how individual actions and historical decrees continue to echo through time. Thank you for exploring these moments with us.